So I want to talk about websites, our website philosophy at Nominate Partners, and what our kind of guidelines and parameters are for a website. First of all, your website needs to be WordPress. Why WordPress? Well, if you Google what content management system, which WordPress is a content management system, or CMS, it's how content is managed for a website. So there's WordPress, Wix, Weebly. The list goes on and on. WordPress is the most acceptable, or straight HTML code. Since most people aren't great coders, WordPress works the best. And you want to utilize a WordPress website so that it can be SEO'd, it can be optimized for speed. All the things necessary for search engine optimization, you can do with WordPress. Next thing is your content. So your content needs to be focused around your keywords or your services. So whatever your primary service is, your homepage should pretty much be keyworded for that primary service. Now, what you don't want to do is have multiple pages that are keyworded for or that have content for the same keyword. All right. So for example, if you own a pressure washing company, you probably do a lot of different services: pressure washing, house washing, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, window cleaning. Pressure washing is the category that is your main service. So your homepage should be keyworded and focused on pressure washing. Doesn't mean you don't have services on that page showing your services. It just means that that page focused on pressure washing. Now, every service you provide should have its own page. You shouldn't group keywords together or services together. That's confusing to Google. You should have a page for each service. Each page, preferably, should have multiple headings around the keywords you provide. So, for instance, pressure washing professional is a heading. Pressure washing city, the location, the primary city you're in. Pressure washing near me. Why you should hire XYZ company for pressure washing in location. Those are all great headings that should be utilized. Each heading should have 300 to 400 words. You should be utilizing bullet points, numbered lists, things like that. Things that people want to see, want to read. You should be utilizing pictures. Not a ton, but some. A lot of people want to put videos on website. Videos aren't good for websites because it puts a load on in terms of size of the data, which speed and page load speed are two huge ranking factors. You don't want to do things to slow your website down, and that definitely will slow your website down. You want to show some reviews on that page, why you should hire XYZ company for pressure washing, blah, 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 blah. To check out a website to see what how a website should be built, or what a website should look like. I'll put a couple links in the description so that you have a couple links to see kind of what that website should look like. Next thing, after you have your service pages, so you have a page for each service, you should have service location pages. Now, what we do is we focus on your top 3 services, and we will build out 20 locations for each service that you have, right? So those locations are cities or smaller neighborhoods in your market that you want to dominate. And so each location will be pressure washing plus location. So service plus location will be the title of that page. And then we will link those back to your service pages, interlink them on your website correctly, link them to your Google Maps listing. And then we have a plugin, a geolocation plugin. And that plugin's job is to help allow your Google Maps listing ranking to expand, especially into those areas. We'll talk a little bit more about Google Maps ranking in another video, but the geolocation plugin on the website linked to your service pages and your Google Maps listing will help that Google Maps listing expand its rankings. We have another plugin that is an ADA, or American with Disabilities Act accessibility plugin. It allows your website to be used by deaf, blind, and or autistic individuals who have problems with bright lights or bright colors or fast moving speeds. And so an ADA plugin, which is required by law, is part of what we provide our clients when they use us for marketing. We also, with your website, will do updates as required, WordPress updates, your plugins update. So it's required that that's consistent. We also host your website on our server, which is secure and blazing fast. So you don't have problems with security. You don't have problems with downtime. Like literally, our server was down one time for 4 hours, and it was a Google issue because our server is hosted on Google's cloud, and Google's cloud was down. So however often Google's cloud goes down is how often your website will go down, like hardly ever. So, which is why we host it on our site or our server. Our server is blazing fast, secured. If you hire us, I'm going to be 99% positive we're going to require you to let us host it because I don't want any problems like that. We manage it, update it, all that stuff. Your website is the foundation of your online footprint. If you don't have a good website, it's going to be hard to be found. It's going to be hard to dominate your market.